Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have your headset and controllers active. First, make sure you run Steam VR or your headset's runtime and complete the room setup so tracking is stable. Once done, launch VRChat and open settings, select controllers or hand tracking depending on your hardware. Next, recenter your view and perform a quick controller calibration. Press the system button to reorient. Do this now so the positional data you'll rely on in the next steps is accurate and predictable. Now you'll tune how your hands move inside VRChat. Select an avatar and open the avatar menu. Enable Limb IK and adjust arm length until virtual arms align with your real reach. Then go to your runtime input settings, Steam VR Input or Open XR, and remap buttons for grips, triggers, and gesture toggles so your physical inputs produce expected hand poses. Finally, increase wrist rotation, smoothing, or adjust dead zones a little to remove. You're near the finish. Enter a private instance and actively test moves. Reach, point, grab, and use emotes while standing and seated. Make small iterative tweaks in avatar and input settings, then recenter after each change to validate results. If hands drift or jitter, first recenter and recalibrate. If that fails, inspect tracking cameras or base stations, reduce USB hub load, and update Steam VR/Open XR drivers. One key tip: reboot your headset and PC after driver changes. That often clears persistent tracking issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.